Dudes, I just got videotape this for you. So I just cooked all this over this fire. Okay, we're talking razor clam fritters, leftover shrimp from a shrimp ramen recipe I had, and this is leftover chicken from chicken bait for crabbing. These two are drumsticks and fries. So let's try the first one, which is going to be the razor clam fritters. Oh my God. I mean, they're so sweet. The caviar of clams. Okay. Next, we're going to do the leftover shrimp. And so what I did was I put them in a flour, some flour, and then egg, and then some what's it called, the crunchy stuff. But yeah, you know, the crunchy stuff. Here we go. Oh my God. Crazy good. Oh man. Okay. Next, let's do the fries. Just regular potato fries. Crunchy. Soft in the middle. Crunchy on the outside. Oh my God. So good. Alright. Last but not least, the chicken. Chicken legs. Here we go. Oh my God. Tender inside, crunchy on the outside. Hope you guys are drooling. Take care. It's the boss.